everyone, welcome to our channel InfoBrief. Today we are discussing some important general knowledge questions of Indian geography. First question, the northernmost point of India is known as option A Indira Heights, B Indira Col, C Indira Point, D none of the above. Answer option B Indira Col. With which of the following countries India shares maximum length of border? A. Pakistan, B. China, C. Bangladesh, D. Nepal. Answer C. Bangladesh. The headquarters of Eastern Railway Zone of Indian Railway is located at which of the places? A. Gorakhpur, B. Allahabad, C. Kolkata, D. Guwahati. Answer C. Kolkata. The highest agriculture density is found in which of the following states of India? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Punjab. Answer A. Kerala. Which of the following imaginary line almost divides India into two equal parts? A. Equator, B. Tropic of Cancer, C. Tropic of Capricorn, D. Arctic Circle. And the answer is option B. Tropic of Cancer. Which of the following water bodies separates the Andaman from the Nicobar? A. 11-degree channel, B. Gulf of Mannar, C. 10-degree channel, D. Andaman Sea. And the answer C. 10-degree channel. Which of the following passes link Srinagar to Leh? A. Mana Pass, B. Rohtas Pass, C. Nathula Pass, D. Zojila Pass. And the answer of the question is D. Zojila Pass. Which of the following region of rainfall during winters in northwestern part of India? A. Cyclonic depression, B. Western disturbance, C. Retreating monsoon, D. Southwest monsoon. And the answer is B. Western disturbances. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghat is A. Anaimudi, B. Mahendragiri, C. Kanchenjunga, D. Khasi. And the answer of the question is option B. Mahendragiri. Which of the following is the highlights of the Rally for Valley program in India? A. Environmental degradation, B. Biodiversity, C. Resettlement of displaced people, D. Loss of agriculture. And the answer A. Environmental degradation. Which of the following countries are divided by the Durand Line? Option A. Afghanistan and Pakistan, B. Pakistan and India, C. India and China, D. India and Burma. And the answer is Afghanistan and Pakistan. Where is the India's permanent research station Dakshin Gangotri? A. Great Himalayas, B. Indian Ocean, C. Antarctica, and D. Arabian Sea. And the answer is Antarctica. Which of the following Indian state touch the boundaries of maximum number of other states? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Uttar Pradesh. And the answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following countries are divided by McMahon Line? A. India and Pakistan, B. India and China, C. India and Bangladesh, and D. Pakistan and China. And the answer is India and China. Which is the highest dam in India? A. Bhakra Dam, B. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, C. Hirakud Dam, D. Tahiri Dam. And the answer is B. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. The state having a largest area of forest cover in India is option A. Arunachal Pradesh, option B. Haryana, option C. Madhya Pradesh, option D. Assam. And the answer is C. Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following food grain crops occupies the largest part of the cropped area in India? A. Barley and maize, B. Jowar and bajra, option C. Rice, and option D. Wheat. And the answer is option C. Rice. The only state in India that produces saffron is option A. Assam, option B. Himachal Pradesh, option C. Jammu and Kashmir, option D. Meghalaya. And the answer is option C. Jammu and Kashmir. The percentage of Earth's surface covered by India is option A. 2.4, B. 3.4, C. 4.4, and D. 5.4. And the correct option is option A. 2.4. Which of the following crops is regarded as a plantation crop? A. Coconut, B. Cotton, C. Sugarcane, D. Rice. And the right option is option A. Coconut. Which country has the largest coastline? A. USA, B. Australia, C. Canada, and option D. India. And the right option? Option C. Canada. Which of the following crops needs maximum water per hectare? Option A. Barley, option B. Maize, option C. Sugarcane, option D. Wheat. And the answer? Option C. Sugarcane. The percentage of India's total population employed in agriculture is nearly option A. 40%, option B. 50%, option C. 60%, and option D. 75%. And right answer option D. 70%. The most fertile region of India is the Himalayas, B. the Central Highlands, C. the Indo-Gangetic Plain, D. Peninsular Plateau. The answer is option C. the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is located in which of the following cities? A. New Delhi, B. Hyderabad, C. Surat, D. Mumbai. And the right option is option B. Hyderabad. Please like, comment and subscribe the channel for more updates.